Okay, hole 1, gold course, 605.
That's far out.
Downhill. Is that it straight in the middle of the fairway?
I think so.
Tyler's on the observation deck up there. Way down there. But looks like lots of room.
Same spot.
They're 2 feet apart from each other. Right on the edge of that. Okay.
Oh. Unless I pull it over. Oh, well at least you're not on the other side.
Alright. First tee, wide open, downhill. Tyler got lucky and shanked it off the fence, so he stayed not into the super OB. You're right there on the path.
I was expecting to step off there. Look, and I'm like right on the same ridge you are.
Yeah, it's flipping.
Nice tee.
Good distance. Alright, first hole, par 3, 605 feet. I got a 4. Tyler and Tim got 5s.
If I hadn't shanked it, I might have gotten it.
Headed downhill a little bit to the next tee. At least the brakes feel pretty good.
Yeah. They definitely have sound effects.
Kayak Point Disc Golf Resort rules. It doesn't say stay on the cart paths, it just says stay off the steep hills, but
Yeah, but there's a little thing right there, so.
yeah.
Use parking brake.
Hole 2, par 3, only 435 feet. This one overall down, but we're gonna end up at the bottom of the hill and have to come back up. So go ahead, you're
So
good.
just launch it and try and get as high up on that hill.
Right next to the cart path. It'll save you some time.
Oh! My hand is too sticky.
Kind of right toward that little pole.
A little.
Stay wide enough. Turned over. Okay, hole 2, 4, what was it, 435.
All 5.
I went all the way across the fairway trying to stay safe and got in the bushes. I had to pitch out, so ended up with a 5 double bogey. Tyler went up the far side of the fairway also, and got a 5. Tim went up the right side of the fairway and got a 5. On to hole 3. 4-wheeling looking for the tee. Oh, it's out here out of the woods. But looks like we caught up with them in front of us, so there you go. Give us a whole breakdown.
Hole 3, 711 feet, par 4.
Down here and to the right.
To the left in the trees.
And then back in the trees somewhere to the left. Nice, out and in the middle of the fairway.
I did.
You're good. Tyler keeping the angle on it. It's gonna be close to the edge. Hit some cabbage.
Ready? Yep. Right in the middle of the fairway, just like what we'd expect.
A little short, but I wanted to stay in the fairway.
Oh, nope. Does not seem like I will.
You're pin high there now. Oh, did I get out? No, that's not me. Nice tree kick. All right, that basket was in the woods here, just off the edge. Well, not just off, 100 feet off the edge. Pulling up to T4. So I got on 3, I got a 5, Tyler got a 6, and Tim got a 5. Par 3, 416, hole 4.
618.
Down and to the left. So
Just shoot it
must be downhill, but let's see. So we're gonna go
straight down there.
forehand and then figure it out after that.
I guess.
That's okay. It's in the fairway. Hugging the left side, kicking off the tree back to the fairway. Okay, ready?
I'm just hoping it's in frame
Farther.
because I cannot see the disc at all.
Okay, so we came along here, down into this hole. Tyler said it was 20 feet down here, and that's where I landed in 2.
2?
Yeah. So hole 4 was 645. Finishing was down in that hole.
645.
I was 15 past it in 2. Missed my first attempt on the putt, so I took a second attempt and made it. So I'm calling it a
Brakes
3.
are on. Nobody's home.
Tim and Tyler got 6s. Hole
Is it?
4.
This is the 2, right?
I'm assuming. Hole 4. Yeah, everybody's walking up there, so. Way down there and to the right. Hole 5, par 3, 510. Way down there and on the right. Okay, can you see down there to sort of where I might land? Tim, I'm going to throw pretty close to where you are. I'm going to throw that way. Here goes. Drop.
Heads up.
Am I in the grass?
Yeah, you're in the grass. That big white tree right there, you're just kind of just to the right of the trunk of that.
All right, hole 4.
Okay,
Looks like it. Yeah, I was 15 feet after 2 and missed my putt, uphill putt. It's kind of scary, so ended up with a 4. Tyler got a 5, Tim got a 6. Now we are cruising through the woods.
These are the crossroads.
Yeah. Up the hill. So we've been going down, down, down. Now I suspect we're going to be going up, up, up.
Tyler, push. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I don't think I was even doing anything. I was just... Yep. So
Hole 6, we
what is that?
lost all, we had to look for discs. So now we're on hole 7, 421, par 3. Across the fairway, and into the woods on the other side. Narrow gaps to get out. Oh, there it is behind the tree. All right, hole 7 was a shorter one. I got within 5 in my second shot, so I got an easy par. Tyler got a 4, Tim got a 5. On to hole 8.
I got a 4. 48.
Looks like he's in those trees. Par 3, only 648 feet.
So it must be right in the middle of those trees.
I like how we say only 648.
Down and to the left. Must be in those trees. So I'm gonna forehand along the left side, come back out in that open. Hole 8 was a par 3. Basket's way back in the woods here. Tyler and I got 5s and Tim got a 6. Over here, hole 9. Long tunnel out of the woods. 510 feet, par 4. We think it's way up on the hill there. Gotta get out of these trees. I'm gonna try to forehand out to the path and then go up the hill. Let's see how it plays out. All right, hole 9. 600, what was it? 500 something feet through the woods. I got a par with 4. Tyler got a 5 and Tim got a 6. So I am sitting plus 9 after 9. Tyler's plus 18 and Tim's plus 20. Looking at hole 10. 699 feet, par 4. Just way down there. We'll see how it goes.
Hop, skip, and a jump.
All right, I missed my, what was that, a 30-foot putt? I hit the cage, so I'm in 4. Tyler got 5, and Tim's got something more than that, maybe 6. Tyler put a little too much angle on it and ended up way up there on the left side. Tim got a nice little flat shot, finished back to the left in here. Somewhere.
So I'm over here, but Tyler was like right.
Yeah, you're right.
I thought I saw.
Okay, we're going through the woods. The last one was a par 4.
750.
I got 4. And Tyler got 6 and Tim got 7. Now we're going to hole 12. It's a 273 feet, so short one. And par 3. It looks like it's through the woods. So we'll see.
These are the spots that I had.
This might be. Is this? Oh, we skipped 12. All right, finished hole 13. It was 463 feet, par 3. I got a 3, Tyler got a 4, and Tim got a 4. So off to hole 14. Gonna climb up. Woohoo!
I mean, it'd be different if I was good enough to.
All right, throw from way back there. All right.
834.
Oh, it's a really long one, and it's flat too. What the heck? 834, par 4, par 6 for us,
10,000 yards.
and it's flat. And there's like you gotta stay to the left. We don't want to get in that hole.
You just gotta send it.
All right, we gotta wait for them. They're a bit in front of us.
Yeah,
Okay. Nice. All right, hole 14, par 4, I got a 4. Tyler and Tim got 5s. Gentle uphill. This is hole 15, par 3, 4. I know, and they're both flat, so it's not like the next one's in the trees a little more. All right, update. Hole 5, par 3, 455. I got a 4.
15.
Tyler got a 4.
15, not 5.
15, yeah. And Tim got a 6. I threw past the basket and came back with about a 12-foot putt. Made it. We're off to 16. It looks like 16's to the left, and then 17 I think is teed over there. So come back to that. Pano.
If I put the pano in there, you can go back and look over later. It's another 16 goes off over here. And like, or was it
Little
or
steep in there.
yeah.
They went with carts that way though, so.
Over here.
Little. No carts beyond this point. Well, I hope not. That would be Uncle Bob, Papa Bob. So it looks like we throw from up high, through a little gap, over a ravine. Super scary.
Is this one of the ones that we already did?
Alright, let's see. Hole 16, 309 to the right somewhere. Par 3.
Probably into those trees there.
Yeah, so if you go right to that path on the logs, and just to the right,
Oh yeah.
there's a little tiny tree, and then it's right behind that.
Hole 17, 825 par 4. Over the ravine and then way up the hill. Yeah. Keep it over my head, that way it's high enough to keep going.
There it is. Easy. Yeah,
I think.
it hit solid.
Oh, this is why they have that. You think that guard would actually stop anything here?
Oh, that's
Yeah,
scary.
looks like a couple things haven't stopped.
Oh, that would
There's
be
cart,
scary.
there's cart trails. There's cart.
So you
tracks
should
going
be
up
back
there.
here to the left. Tyler's right down there by the. Let me put my foot on it.
Here, I'll just take. I can take my bag and let you go. Trip down the hill.
Yeah, this is a little bit steep. We are gonna have to throw straight up. Tyler got about as low as he can get down here.
Yeah, of course I
Okay, I'm gonna stop here in a second, Tyler. Oh, you're already done. All right, we finished 17. A very, very long hole. It's just up the hill, up the hill, up the hill. Par 4, I got a 5. Tim and Tyler got 7s. Now we're walking down here to 18. Tees down there. Lots of trees in the way. And the baskets up there between those trees. Yeah.
Just shoot up the
18, 426, par 3.
Nice tee.
Good shot. Up the hill through the woods.
Over the river and through the woods.
This is a par. How would anyone get all the way?
Just like asking how hole 17 was a par 4.
Oh, nice. Oh, Tim got the double tree kick. Okay. Hole 18 is up that valley into that corner. Par 3, I got 4. Tyler and Tim's got 5. Tim just went right up the middle. Hiking back to the golf cart. You can't really drive it down there. So that was it. We'll see the totals in a second. All right, finished it up. Recap. I got plus 12. Tyler got plus 28. Tim got plus 37. There's the scorecard.
Better than I thought
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pars and 1 birdie. Tyler got 1, 2 pars.
Did I get any pars? No.
No. It was fun though.
All double bogeys.
Little mini course. Cool little pond. Throw over and around. That one is really close to the water. They have little lights on top of them, so you can actually play. I think they have Friday night glow or something like that.